Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Go.
Your birthday ko, enjoy your birthday. When it's you done your birthday, then it's my birthday. I will go with you now and the beach.
To you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Sarge. God bless. Happy birthday, Sarge. Sana sukses mo tayo sa grade 3.
To you. Happy birthday,
God bless
happy
you.
birthday, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Sarge. Enjoy your day. God bless.
Happy birthday,
Birthday, Kuya Bob. I love you.
No, Gabriel. Happy birthday. Sayang wala kami din sa birthday mo, pero I wish na sana hindi na ng pagiging mabait mo, masunurin at pinakasweet sa lahat, especially kay mommy mo and lolas and lolo. Grabe ay sweet mo. And I hope na ipatuloy mo pa rin ang pagsusunod kay God. And happy birthday!
Hi Gab! Happy 8th birthday! May you have more birthdays to come and all your wishes do come true. Pakabait ka. Alam namin na mabait kang bata. Mana ka sa iyong mami na mabait. And continue to be a blessing to others.
Hi Gab, happy birthday. Ang wish ko sa'yo ay lumaki ka na hindi katulad ng mami mo. Love you baby boy, and mag-iingat palagi at makikita ko na sobrang matured mo na as an 8-year-old. 8 years ka na ba? So yun, happy birthday and love you.